Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you a quick fix for YouTube, quick tip, how to keep the original titles and descriptions, which is the no translation hack. So actually we can't do so from the web browser itself and YouTube itself. It's unfortunately quite complex. Complex for those who don't use YouTube that much. And yeah, so at first we need to install the third-party extension. Open a new tab in your web browser and type on the translate extension. Scroll down to the YouTube no translation from Chrome Web Store. If you are on the edge, search for the equivalent of this YouTube translation or anti-translate, but focus on the ratings and users. Here, as you can see, we have a lot of users and a lot of ratings, so that's nice. Click Add to Chrome here, but at first I do have remove it because I have added it for the video purposes. Here they have the official web page of the extension. It will be open for you automatically when you install the extension. And at first, enable titles, enable audio tracks, enable descriptions, and even subtitles for you. Here, apart from that, you have YouTube AP data key, and you can enter it yourself here, but I don't think that is necessary for you. Now, if you have this enabled, set here to the original and click reload all YouTube tabs. Now, as you can see, it should be working fine. To prove it to you, let's enter the HardReset.Info Ukraine. And as you can see here, they have default Ukrainian, maybe not advertisements, but default Ukrainian descriptions and titles. Let's skip the ad. And now let me remove the YouTube no translation from here. Remove. And let's refresh. As you can see now, it should be English. Yes, it is. So that's why it was working. And that's it. If you have some questions, you can ask them in comments below. And that was the quick tip for the YouTube from HardReset. Goodbye!